You've watched it grow, floor by floor. Now we are down to the final details, the ones that turn walls into something deeply personal.
We have reached the part of the journey where every detail matters, where what we build begins to feel like where someone will live. And that's when Harmony truly comes alive.
Of course, no one knows this site better than our lead engineer, Mahmoud. Here is his full update in his own words.
For our works at Harmonia Residence Project, let's go from down to top. If we need to talk about the landscape, we have done about 60%, parking area 50%, and we are doing that tiling for the swimming pool. 92% of the curtain walls has been done. Cladding as well 90%. Facade painting also 95%. We are fixing the balustrade, we achieve up to 70%. Partitions for the balconies also we achieve 70%. And the tiles for the balconies 80%. We are doing the marble for the elevator, we reach up to the 3rd floor. We are doing the elevator doors up to the 14th floor. And the handrails also 95% is done. Staircase marble also done. And we are doing the block work and the plastering work for the basement. We achieve up to 70%. And as well we are focusing on the mezzanine floor for the block works and the plastering works. We almost reached 90%. If we need to go inside the floors, we are fixing the kitchens, we reach up to the 12th floor. We are fixing also the wardrobe, 14th floor. We are doing the washroom accessories for the lights, spotlights and socket up to the 14th floor. We are doing the tiling almost done to the 16th floor, plasterboard and painting as well for the 16th floor. For the next update, we are going to see more finishing works to be done, such as the painting, the plasterboard works, the tiling and the landscape, especially also the elevators, the marble, the tiling. We are still focusing on the finishing works to be done soon as possible.
I am Mushofa, and standing here above it all, I can tell Harmonia is more than ready. We are currently at our handover phase for some units, and clients are coming in to inspect their apartments. We are more than ready to welcome you home. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow and like us on all of our social media platforms. See you in our next update.